Welcome! If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to organize your thoughts, tasks, and ideas, known for its clean design and distraction-free writing experience, Bear helps you capture notes quickly, organize them with tags, and stay productive without complexity. In this guide, you'll learn how to use Bear effectively to improve your note-taking workflow. Let's get started. Bear is a clean, powerful, and beautifully designed app that makes note-taking a seamless experience. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with Bear and take full advantage of its features. By the end, you will feel confident using Bear to capture your thoughts, organize your notes, and enhance your productivity. What is Bear? Bear is a flexible writing app for crafting notes and prose. It is available on macOS, iPhone, and iPad, and is perfect for quick notes, to-do lists, detailed essays, and even full-on writing projects. Unlike traditional note-taking apps, Bear focuses on simplicity and aesthetics, while still packing in powerful features like Markdown support, cross-note linking, tagging, syncing across devices, and advanced exporting options. Installing Bear in 2025. As of 2025, Bear continues to be available in the Apple ecosystem. 1. On iOS and iPadOS. Open the App Store, search for Bear, Markdown Notes, and install the app. 2. On macOS. Visit Bear.app, download the latest macOS version and install it, or open App Store. Bear uses Apple's iCloud for syncing, so make sure you are signed in to your Apple ID and have iCloud enabled. Creating your first note. Once Bear is installed, it is time to start writing. 1. Open the Bear app. 2. Tap the plus icon on the bottom right corner. 3. A blank note opens up. Start typing your thoughts. Bear saves your notes automatically, so there's no need to hit a save button. Using tags to organize notes. One of Bear's best features is its tag-based organization. To create a tag, simply type hashtag tag name within your note. Hashtag school, hashtag inspiration. Here will automatically sort your note under that tag in the sidebar. Once subtags, just use a slash. Example, hashtag project/client A, hashtag project/client B. This creates a tree-like structure, helping you keep things neat without needing complex folders. Cross-linking notes. Cross-linking helps you connect ideas. To link to another note, type bracket, and Bear will show a list of your existing notes. Select the note you want to link, and Bear will insert a hyperlink to it. This is perfect for organizing research, creating wikis, or managing larger writing projects. Example, Markdown, copy edit. Check out My Daily Reflections note for more ideas. To-do list and checkboxes. Creating tasks. Use checkboxes. Just type, open and close bracket followed by your task. Example, finish Bear tutorial. Review math notes. Drink water. When you complete the task, tap the checkbox and it turns into X. Attaching files and images. Bear allows you to attach images, sketches, and files right into your notes. To add an image, 1. Tap the paperclip icon or image file icon in iOS or macOS. 2. Choose your image or file. 3. Bear will insert a preview right into your note. Perfect for visual thinkers, designers, or those who love bullet journals, themes, and appearance. In 2026, Bear continues offering beautiful themes to personalize your workspace. To change themes, go to Settings, Appearance on Mobile, or Preferences Themes on Mac, or Settings Themes on Mac. Choose from light, dark, and colorful themes like Solarize, Dracula, Red Graphite, and more. Enable dark mode to save battery and ease your eyes at night. And if you want some cool themes, you can purchase the Pro plan for some cool themes. Syncing across devices with the Bear Pro subscription, your notes automatically sync between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac via iCloud. To activate, 1. Subscribe to Bear Pro. 2. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled in Settings. 3. Notes will appear across devices in real time. It is perfect for working on your phone while commuting, then picking up where you left off on your laptop. Exporting notes? Bear supports exporting in multiple formats. PDF, great for printing or sharing Markdown. For developers and loaders, HTML. For web content, Word or .docx for formal documents. To export, open a note. Tap the share item. Select Export and choose your preferred format. You can even export entire groups of notes at once. Searching and filters. Pair makes it easy to find anything you have written. Use the search bar at the top to search by keywords, search by tags, filter by to-do status. Combine this to find exactly what you need. Fast example. Hashtag work at To-Do meeting will show you all pending tasks tagged under work related to meetings. Archiving and trashing notes. Don't want to delete a note permanently? Use the archive to store notes you don't need now, but may want later. Use the trash to delete notes temporarily. Both can be found in the sidebar. Notes in trash are permanently deleted after 30 days, so no worries about clutter. Locking notes. Payer Pro lets you lock notes using Face ID or Touch ID or a password. Select a note. 1. Open the note. 2. Tap the lock icon at the top. 3. Set a password or enable biometrics. Perfect for journals, private projects, or confidential information. Daily notes and journaling. Want to use Bear for daily reflections or journaling? Create a note using the date as the title, example, April 5th, 2025, and tag it with hashtag journal. Add entries to each day and link them together for easy reference. Owner's tip? Use Text Expander or a shortcut to autofill today's date and prompt. Is Bear right for you? Bear is ideal if you value a beautiful and distraction-free writing space, like the flexibility of Markdown, preferred tags over folders, work within the Apple ecosystem. However, Bear is currently exclusive to Apple devices, so if you need a cross-platform app, Windows or Android, you might want to store alternatives. In conclusion, Bear continues to be a fantastic option in 2026 for users who want a streamlined, powerful, and visually pleasing note-taking app. With its intuitive tag system, robust Markdown support, seamless cross-device syncing, and suite of professional-grade features, Pair truly caters to a wide range of users. From casual note-takers and journalers to dedicated writers and productivity enthusiasts, its clean interface eliminates distractions, while its flexible formatting tools allow users to focus on what matters most: their ideas. Whether you are jotting down quick thoughts, organizing research, drafting blog posts, or managing daily tasks, Pair adapts to your workflow with ease. The app's ability to link notes, lock sensitive content, and export in multiple formats makes it not just a note-taking tool, but a full... Thanks for watching this beginner's guide to Bear. With the right note-taking system, you can stay organized, think more clearly, and work more efficiently. Bear's simplicity and flexibility make it a powerful tool for students, writers, and professionals alike. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more productivity app guides. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.